In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up A2X account. A2X helps automate e-commerce accounting by summarizing your marketplace sales and posting tidy entries to your ledger. We'll walk through a clean first-time setup so you can connect your sales channel, link your accounting software, and be ready to reconcile with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for A2X. From the results, choose the official A2X website. If you see ads or look-alike pages, ignore them and head to the main site so you're signing up in the right place. On the home page, click Try A2X for free. You'll be prompted to sign up using Google, Xero, or Intuit. Pick the option that matches how you plan to connect your accounting later. Using the same email you use for your bookkeeping system can make authorization smoother. When your browser asks for permissions, select Allow. This grants A2X secure access to the basic information it needs to create your account and connect the services you choose. Next, fill in your first and last name, company, and a phone number. Choose what best describes your business and let them know how you heard about A2X. Use business details here. Accurate information helps support tailor guidance if you ever need assistance. Open the terms and conditions to review them. It's worth a quick scan so you're clear on data handling and subscription details. When you're ready, accept and continue to your account to land in your new A2X dashboard. You'll be asked to add your Etsy account name. Enter it exactly as it appears in your shop settings and click Done. This identifies the store A2X will sync with. Now connect your accounting software. Follow the prompts to link Xero or QuickBooks Online, or click Skip for now if you're not ready. If you can, it's best to connect now so your chart of accounts and tax settings can flow into A2X automatically. Proceed to connect Etsy. You'll be redirected to Etsy to sign in and grant permissions. Approve the connection so A2X can import your payouts and order summaries. Once connected, A2X will begin fetching recent data for you to review. Upload your chart of accounts. If you linked your ledger, you can usually pull it in directly. Otherwise, upload from a file and ensure key categories exist for sales, fees, shipping, discounts, and taxes so mapping is clean. Finally, post your entries from A2X to your accounting system and reconcile them against your bank deposits. Match payout dates and amounts, confirm fees and taxes align, and you're done. Your A2X account is now set up and ready to streamline your e-commerce bookkeeping.